Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about why have private members, part of programming in C++ course. Private members in a class are variables and functions that are only accessible within the class and are not accessible from outside the class. They are marked as private using private keyword in the class definition. The main reason to have private members is to encapsulate the implementation details of a class and to prevent outside code from accessing or modifying these details in unintended way. This can help to ensure the proper functioning and stability of the code and to prevent bugs that could arise from accidental modifications of the object's state. By limiting access to the private members of a class, you can also make changes to the implementation of the class without affecting the code that uses the class. As long as the class's public interface remains the same. This can lead to more maintainable and flexible code, as changes to the class can be made more easily without impacting other parts of the code base. In summary, using private members in a class provides a mechanism for encapsulation and abstraction, helping to protect the internal state of an object and allowing for more robust and maintainable code. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.